This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Luis Urena. This beautiful home in MONTERRA, Cooper City. Features 4-bed/3-bath waterfront Montecito model, offers a very desirable open floor plan with a highly upgraded kitchen, 2-car garage. The master bedroom features a very large walk-in closet. The property has been recently painted and new gutters installed. This luxury home is centrally located in Cooper City, most sought-after gated community, which offers resort-style amenities including tennis and basketball courts, fitness center, pool with splash pad, tot lot and dog park. A+ rated schools. The chandelier in the dining room is excluded. For more information, review the details below.